how to fix Spotify playing random songs. This usually happens because of autoplay or shuffle settings being turned on. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. Next, open the Playback section. Scroll down and find Autoplay Similar Content. Turn this option off to stop Spotify from automatically playing similar songs after your playlist or album ends. If Spotify is still playing songs that are not in your playlist, the issue might be Smart Shuffle. Open the playlist you are playing. Look for the shuffle icon, which looks like two crossing arrows. Tap it until it switches off or returns to normal mode. This ensures only songs from your playlist will play. After making these changes, go back and play your playlist again to check if the issue is fixed. And that's how you can stop Spotify from playing random songs. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Spotify tips, tricks, and tutorials like this.